Hey guys, today let's learn how to use the Bloom AI effect on YouTube Shorts. So if you guys want to go ahead and use this new Bloom AI effect on your own YouTube Shorts, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this and use this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first to do this is to launch the YouTube application. And I want you to tap on this plus icon. And then let's tap on short. As you see here, we could actually choose the filters option right here. And choose, of course, filter that we prefer to use. In this case, I want you guys to choose the new AI balloon filter, and all you need to do to search for that is to just go ahead and relocate onto the sea of filters that we have available on here. As you see, the new AI balloon filter is gonna be located right here on the first result. All we need to do is to go ahead and start recording, and YouTube will transform our image. So let's go ahead and try this out right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and start recording. And now, YouTube is currently going on to the process of, well, processing my video, as you see right here. Now, if you cannot locate where that is, well, basically, if you cannot see the specific tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like right here on this screenshot. Basically, what you guys need to tap on is this option. So once you're already onto the YouTube Shorts option, you need to go ahead and tap on this option onto the sparkling button to access your filters. And what you guys should see is the option to access your AI Bloom filter right here. So just go ahead and tap on that. Hit on record now. Now show your specific image or a video that you wanna. Go ahead and have that AI Bloom effect and let the magic happen and see the results right after. Post it on your YouTube Shorts. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.